Welcome to this comprehensive comparison of Squirrel Cage versus slip ring induction motors. We will examine their construction, performance characteristics, and various industrial use cases. First, let's explore the physical heart of the induction motor, the rotor. The fundamental design of the rotor dictates the motor's operating characteristics. The Squirrel Cage rotor is known for its rugged simplicity. It features rotor bars short-circuited by end rings. Its design is extremely robust, with no windings or brushes, and bars are often skewed to improve performance. The slip ring, or wound rotor, design offers advanced control. Its windings are connected to external slip rings and a brush assembly. This allows the connection of external resistors to control starting current and torque. A side-by-side comparison shows key differences. Squirrel Cage motors are low-cost and virtually maintenance-free, but have high starting current. Slip ring motors offer high, controlled starting torque and easier speed control, but are more expensive and require frequent maintenance. Looking at the torque speed curves, slip ring motors shine during heavy starts. By adding rotor resistance, their peak torque can be shifted towards zero speed, which is ideal for overcoming high static friction. For maintenance, the Squirrel Cage is a fit-and-forget option, ideal for harsh environments. The slip ring motor requires a regular schedule, as brushes wear down and slip rings must be inspected for sparking and carbon dust buildup. In industrial applications, Squirrel Cage motors are suited for constant speed loads like pumps and fans. Slip ring motors are essential for applications requiring massive starting torque and smooth control, such as cranes and crushers. Common Squirrel Cage uses include centrifugal pumps, fans, and machine tools, where starting torque requirements are low to moderate. They are also used in conveyors with soft starting controllers. Slip ring motors handle heavy-duty high-inertia loads, such as hoists, elevators, crushers, and tower cranes. They provide the necessary massive starting torque to smoothly start machinery under a full load. When selecting a motor, remember that Squirrel Cage motors dominate the market for standard applications. Choose slip ring motors only if you require a high starting torque, or for smooth control of heavy lifts. For hazardous zones, the spark-free Squirrel Cage is always preferred.